Me llamo Fernando. Me llamo Alejandro. Today, we are going to make guacamole and salsa. Yay! So, Alejandro is going to put some avocados out of the skin into the bowl. And I'm going to say something that I found out. Avocados are most sold on 2 specific days a year. Super Bowl Day and Cinco de Mayo. No, in New York. Oh. And guacamole first started from the Aztecs in Mexico, which is a very long time ago. And I know I love guacamole and avocados. And that one's my goal. And then we have some stuff we're gonna put in it, like tomatoes from the can. And some onion. And a little bit of minced garlic. There was a recipe, but and some cilantro. Some cumin or cumin. Whatever you like to call it. No, not that either. Just gonna and probably some salt. Like our salt shaker? Flying. Oh, and some fresh lime. Squeeze it. Okay, so I am going to mash this up while Alejandro says some stuff about salsa and starts putting some ingredients into our blender.
Okay, salsa is from Mexico, and the Spanish word for salsa is sauce. How much sugar?
Just like
Ew, that's disgusting.
yeah, I guess.
Okay, that's all of it. It looks like there's more in the bowl than
Yum. And a little bit of onion, so I don't know what you think.
All of them?
All of them?
No.
No,
kidding.
not all.
I'm kidding.
There's a lot of onion.
Perfect. You just don't know what to do,
A
Allie.
little spoon of some garlic. Press some of the garlic, and then a little bit of jalapeno. Do you hear the noise? Do you hear the noise of my Is that all? Oh, a little bit of this and a little bit of this.
Oh.
This is, what is that? Cayenne pepper. Just do a little because I think it's strong. Oh, sorry. A little more. Okay, let's just stick with that. I don't know. Well, I'll do this one. Okay.
You viewers, do not do that.
Let's try to mask that with some lime.
Nice job, Shay. Ew, that just squirted on me.
Alright. You're not supposed to be talking.
Well, I can edit.
Well, that's gonna be.
I'm not gonna edit out the lime.
Okay.
I mean the cumin.
I don't think you know how to edit, do you?
Yeah, I do.
Maybe we can take a little bit of.
We need to hurry.
After you put the lime in. Just take some of it and put more in there. I hope it tastes good. Okay, that should be fine. And then we're gonna blend it. Plug your ears. Let's hope it doesn't explode. Okay. Put some salt.
I wish you could smell that, viewers.
It does smell.
It smells very good.
Oh, we forgot cilantro. Make it even better. Oh, that made it look a lot better. Last final look. Thanks for watching.
What about the guacamole?
It's done. Bye.
That's guacamole?
Turn it off. Turn it guacamole.